right. Race day again. We are back-to-back race days. We did 10.5 Till I Die yesterday. And we drove a couple hours to come over to Thunder Valley Raceway for Streetcar Takeover. There's a truck class here. There's actually a lot of quick trucks in it, and so it's going to be a little bit more challenging than the last one that we did. Not saying that you didn't do good. I'm just saying there are some quick cars, or there's some quick trucks. So we're going to turn it up. Liam's acting a little bit funny. We were kind of thinking that we might have heard it the other day, but it acted good yesterday. So yeah, we're going to turn it all the way up here and see what the pass does, and see what happens. Go from there. Hopefully we can win this truck class too. All right, let's get to it. You're still recording, huh?
Huh?
Did you pull a Tanya?
Yeah, I didn't know where the box was, so I went up too fast.
Yeah.
I pulled a Tanya. It was breaking up a little bit up top too.
Really?
Yeah, so I just let out. And it took a really long time to get up on the converter too. So I gotta pull a log and see what's going on with that. I was trying to run more boost. Took it yesterday. I don't know why I didn't today.
It's hotter, well, no, but not by much.
No, maybe it was blowing out spark or something, because I mean, I haven't changed those plugs in a really long time. So might just be the plugs. Well, pull a log, check and see. It was okay. Like, it wasn't terrible. It just wasn't like what we've been doing. We'll see. way through. It didn't break up or nothing. I'll look at the log and see if what we were assuming was the problem was still there or not. But it's slow. It's just not. We don't have enough power there. It's slower on the 60 too. I need to be able to ramp up that high. See what
Slower than the 1.3?
Huh?
1.36?
Yeah, it's a 1.4 something. Yeah. So I don't know. I mean, maybe that's all it's going to take for this one because other people are overshooting it and spinning.
Yeah.
Maybe that's going to be okay, but I'm just more worried about, all right, do I give it, you know, when I looked and I saw him in the rear view, I should have pressed the scramble to see if maybe the boost problem was gone now.
Yeah.
Maybe the plugs just got dirty from driving daily. Because you had to drive it in. I don't know, we'll see what the log shows, but it felt okay, but it's not going to be competitive against those fast guys. So, I don't know, I'll probably just put a lot on the scramble, but leave it how it is. So then if I grab the scramble and it sucks, then I'll let go and just do what we can. All right, off to round 2. Wasn't a great pass. The log looked fine. Fuel pressure didn't drop off, and I'm thinking that's why it didn't break up. So I'm gonna keep the boost low. Hopefully we get the buy so that I can test out the high boost and see if that was just a fluke. But if I don't, then I've got it on the scramble and I can try it. So if it feels shitty, then I'll just let off the button. I won't get out of it. So just try to go as fast as we can. It's really slow right now. Some people are struggling with the track, which I hope they do struggle with it. We're definitely not struggling with the track. We're struggling to make more power. So we'll give it a try.
So many tracks, so many different points of interest.
Fuel pressure drops like as we go out.
Yeah, 4303.
Yeah.
He's ready to rock and roll that twin turbo Fox body Mustang.
All we can do. 67, it's slow to get up on the converter.
Not sure who his pair is.
I don't know, maybe it sucks.
But we do have all of our small tire cars back there at 5 and 6. Street Racer 950 should be headed to lane 4.
We get that in Pueblo.
Trucks, lane 1. We should have 3 of you coming back. Our stick shift final. Go ahead and come back to lane 1. We'll run you guys out. 10-0 to the mid stripe at 2 and 3.
I need to stop.
Heavyweight. Before you guys come back.
Got a Benji?
Yeah, we're going to hold off on you guys.
I ain't got nothing in my pockets right now. My pants are over there. Benji lets me
You are on
pass that
standby.
buy
So
out.
heavyweight, you're on standby.
No. He's not going to get
Street
his
Racer
buy.
950. We got all of our small tires. We should have our truck. Three trucks come back in truck. A final and stick shift.
About to go. He got the buy.
And 10-0. You guys should all be in the lanes or headed to the lanes.
Wait on him. I
No, he got the buy in small tire. Okay. So, yeah. So
And thanks again for coming out to the Streetcar Takeover presented by Nitto Tires. Run by their booth.
It was gonna be a buy. We drew the buy because Tony's our lucky charm. But the guy that was gonna hot lap and come back around, he broke his manifold. So they just made this the final instead. So I would have wanted a test pass, but they want to move it along. So we're just gonna do it as a final. I'll try pushing the button, see what happens.
I just figured he was in my blind spot the whole time, so I just stayed in it. I tried grabbing the button, it got angry, I let it go again. But no, I mean, it went smooth, it went good. It wasn't a very fast pass, but it was enough, I guess. Might have blew a charge pipe off or something. So then I looked at the time slip and see the time for the 330. I thought that was his 8th mile time. And so I was like, wait, that doesn't make any sense. Like, how is he right there and I didn't see him? Like, that's strange. So yeah, it's good. We won.
No about money.
I had to try to at least equal Tanya because she won a truck class, so I had to come out and win a truck class too. I mean, I feel like most of mine was luck because the truck wasn't running as good, and there were some really fast cars in there. But
Hey, but that's how it goes.
that's how it goes. All you gotta do is, you know, make it to the end first and make the cleaner pass. You don't have to be the fastest car, you just have to run the fastest pass. I think he had the capability of beating me. We know Red Demon had the capability of beating me, but both of them had issues, and it's not, I don't know, maybe, I'd like to think it's because, you know, we got a good setup going that's really consistent, but it may just be that Liam puts like voodoo on other people and they have mistakes. I don't know what it is, but I'll take it any time of the day. So, yeah. Like, share, subscribe. They're still recording, huh? Is this weird? Am I supposed to say something else?
Oh, let's go show them the ducks. First race day for the duckies.